Hello students, once again hearty welcome to Alan's tutorials. This is the English literature class for the students of class 9 and 10 based on the ICAC board pattern for your immediate preparation of your board and other examinations. Class is taken by Joseph, Little Flower School, Salempur. Let us learn this poem. Poem number 1, The Heart of the Tree, written by H.C. Bunner. His lifespan was from 1855 to 1896. Let us learn little more about the poet. You can of course find the image, the portrait of this great poet. He was born on August 3, 1855 in New York. He was a novelist and writer of USA. He was self-educated. He worked as an assistant editor for comic weekly Puck. He never attained literary perfection but filled with simplicity. He was called to eternal rest on May 11, 1896. Let us read and understand this poem, The Heart of the Tree. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free, the shaft of beauty towering high. He plants a home to heaven and I, for song and mother coon of bird, in hushed and happy twilight heard the treble of heaven's harmony. These things he plants who plants a tree. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants cool shade and tender rain, and seed and bud of days to be, and years that fade and flush again. He plants the glory of the plain. He plants the forest's heritage, the harvest of a coming age, the joy that unborn eyes shall see. These things he plants who plants a tree. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood, in love of home and loyalty, and forecast thought of civic good. His blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. A nation's growth from sea to sea stares in his heart who plants a tree. Let us see the key points where the poets focus on. By asking a question in the first line of the stanza, the poet wants the readers to think about the answer, and then he himself gives the answer. For him, a tree proves to be a friend of the sun and the sky and contributes positively for the growth of a nation. Repetition is used to focus on the importance of tree in human life. Key ideas of the poem. Let us understand. Heart of the tree suggests the most important quality of the tree. The poet puts a simple question at the beginning of every stanza and suggests the answer to the question. The poet, in a simple way, describes the importance of planting trees. Plants are our true friends. They provide us with cool breeze. Plants are the embodiment of beauty. The man who plants trees provides joy to all, to birds, to animals, and to human beings. Plants cause rain and thus are a source of regeneration. They enrich our forests and provide food to man and animals. The man who plants a tree serves his neighborhood in many ways. He helps the country in its progress. His heart is overjoyed because by planting a tree, he helps the country to grow from sea to sea. There are mainly two themes that we find in this beautiful poem. First one is the importance of trees for our survival, concern for the future of the earth. Let us understand the style and structure of this beautiful poem. Let us understand the form and structure. It's a question and answer known as hypophora. Rhyming scheme. No particular rhyme scheme, but use rhyme to add life to poem. Rhyming words add lyrical quality like tree, free, rain, again, sky, high, heritage, age, etc. Then some of the figures of speech alliteration means close repetition of consonant sounds. Example, he plants a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free. The metonymy, a figure of speech in which a thing or concept is called not by its own name but rather by a metonym, that is, by the name associated in meaning with that for concept. Example, cool shade, tender rain, a friend of sun and sky, as they bear direct association with a tree. Critical remarks of this poem. Tree is compared with a heart, as heart gives us life. Trees gives us life. Thus, without heart there is no life for us. In the same way, without trees there is no life for us. Heart and tree. Heart pumps blood and provides life. Again, heart is essential for life. Heart signifies the most important quality of a tree. Again, trees provide life. Trees are essential for the survival of life and numerous benefits of